Hey everyone, welcome back to the class, and this time we'll do from the exercise 2.4, and this is very easy. If you have watched my conceptual video, then you can do it by yourself. If you have not watched that one, then just click on the I button right now and you will get that video and you can watch that one. Then after you watch this, so if you have watched that one, then it's okay, we can go with this one, and let's solve the question number 1 from this one. So question number 1, Roman number 1, solution. Before I write the solution, let me read the question. Okay, determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 as a factor. So we are asked to find out, means this, when we will divide this one by this, then if it's gets 0, then we'll say that's a factor, and if it's not 0, then we'll say it's not the factor. That's it, simple. We already know about factor. What is factor? Factor means those number which can divide exactly, means when we will get the remainder 0, then that's a factor. Okay, so let's do this one here. So just this one number question. So we'll just say Roman number 1, and we'll just say we'll just say this is a p of x, means polynomial. Okay, and we'll write the question x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. This is the question. Okay, now we have this factor, isn't it? So as we have this factor, so we can do one thing. We can do, for example, putting x plus 1 equal to 0, because this will become 0 when we divide this one, isn't it? So that's why we are putting 0. When we divide this one and this one, we have to prove, we have to find out whether it's a factor or not. Okay, so to make it, otherwise you can directly write, whenever you will see the plus sign, you just take it x is equal to minus 1. If it's minus, then you just take it x is equal to 1. If this one has minus, अगर यहाँ पे minus होता है तो यहाँ पे plus है, so ये -1 डायरेक्ट मैंने कहा है. क्यों मैंने डायरेक्ट कहा? Because reason is this, x ये 1 है जो उस तरफ जाएगा, मतलब मुझे इस इक्वेशन को 0 करना है, ठीक है? तो अभी x का वैल्यू यहाँ पे -1 हो जाएगा. कितना हो जाएगा? -1. सो नाउ इट्स वेरी इजी नाउ, बहुत ही आसान हो गया. सो हम यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, वी गेट x ना, ये नो नीड दिस वन, हम नहीं भी लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. ओके, लेट्स राइट दिस वन. हम कहेंगे एट x इक्वल टू -1, और या फिर हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो putting x equal to -1, we get. ये लाइन नहीं भी लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, फिर से मैं कह रहा हूँ, if you don't write this one then also okay, no problem. So x equal to -1 we get. मैंने बस समझाया कि -1 क्यों लिया है. ओके, यहाँ यही रीजन है, क्योंकि पॉलिनोमियल हमें बनाना है. अभी क्या करेंगे, देखो जहाँ पे x है उस जगह -1 डाल देंगे, ठीक है? यहाँ पे x है, so we'll put -1 cube, -1 square, -1 plus 1, ठीक है? अब तो इसे सॉल्व करते हैं. माइनस क्यूब मतलब क्या? माइनस इंटू माइनस इंटू माइनस, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस. ओके, प्लस इंटू माइनस अगेन माइनस. सो इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई यू विल गेट -1. ओके, अभी यहाँ पे माइनस स्क्वायर, माइनस को 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो मिलेगा प्लस, है ना? तो हमारा हो गया 1. अब देखो ये -1 है +1 है, ये तो ऑलरेडी मतलब खत्म हो गया. ये भी -1 +1 है. If you see, no need to cut, I'm just showing you. Okay, -1, you can just write equal to 0. Okay, I hope this was easy for you. And once you got 0, and then done. After getting 0, we can just do it like this. Hence, x plus 1 is a factor of, मैं शॉर्ट में लिख देता हूँ p of x, क्योंकि मैंने स्टार्टिंग में क्या कहा था, ये बराबर कहा था, है ना, ये रहा, मैंने बराबर कहा था, so I wrote like this. Okay, otherwise you can write the whole equation. So this is your answer for the number 1. So let's see the number 2. हम देखते हैं number 2 को. Okay, before that we'll remove this one. Okay. This one again. Okay. Let's do question number 2. This is also same. If you want to do by yourself, pause the video and do it right now. And if you have any problem, then watch the video again. And I think you will find it easy only. It's not tough. So we'll just write, let p of x is equal to x power 4, x to the power 3, x square plus x plus 1. So this is done. Okay. Now after this, we can just say on putting, directly on putting x is equal to minus 1, we get, actually we are using the remainder theorem. Remember that there are many ways are there to do this one, but I'm just following the simple way. So using this one, we can write p of x. Okay, instead of p of x, we'll just put the value. Okay, don't you write re again, we'll just put the minus 1 is equal to, you see, minus 1 x power 4 plus minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 and plus 1. Now can you see this one? You see, I'm going to give you the shortcut method. If it's odd number, then always remember there will be always minus. If it's even number, then always be plus will be there. मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ कि अगर इवन नंबर का मतलब क्या है, 2, 4, 6, 8, ये सारे अगर लास्ट में होते हैं तो हमेशा याद रखना माइनस के ऊपर, या फिर कोई भी नंबर के, तो याद रखना आंसर हमेशा प्लस आएगा. अगर 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 ये सब अगर होते हैं तो हमेशा याद रखना इसके नीचे -1 ही आएगा, मतलब माइनस साइन ही आएगा, क्योंकि याद रखना माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या होता है 1, बट इफ यू माइनस इंटू माइनस देखो ये दोनों तो प्लस हो गया, फिर माइनस, ये -1 बन जाता है. ओके ना. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस वन. अगर समझ में आया तो काफ़ी अच्छा, नहीं समझ में आया तो दोबारा देखो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. 1 पावर 1 वी जस्ट राइट 1. मैंने अभी कहा था क्यूब, ये क्या ऑड नंबर है ना, ऑड नंबर तो ये हो जाएगा -1, ठीक है ना. ये स्क्वायर है, ये भी इवन नंबर है तो 1. ये हमारा, इसी को मैं यहीं पे मतलब काटता नहीं हूँ, बस खत्म कर. अब देखो 1 और 1 तो गया, बचा क्या 1. तो अब मुझे बताओ क्या ये 0 है. हमने क्या सीखा था कि रिमाइंडर क्या होना चाहिए था, 0 होना चाहिए. हम कहेंगे हेंस x plus 1 is not a factor of, पूरा लिख दो, x plus cube x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so this was your second answer. So I think this is easy chapter, but if you finding difficulties, then please comment down, and so that I can know that you are finding difficulties. So let's see the question number 3. This is also easy, I guess. Yeah, it's easy only. So we'll just say Okay, this is the third number. Let p of x is equal to x power 4 plus 3x square plus 3x. Okay, yeah, we can get this. So we took this one. We'll just say on putting x is equal to minus 1, we get. I hope you know about this one because I already explained above. Okay, I've already explained this one, so I'm not explaining again because we have the same question for this all question. Okay, so we'll just say, then we'll write p of x minus 1 power 4 3 minus 1 square. Okay, this is cube, I guess, because 2 square can't be there. Its question is like this, 3. Okay, and 3 minus 1 square and minus 1 plus 1. I hope this is easy for you. You see, minus 1, of course, this will be 1. Square, 3 into 1, 3. Oh, this is cube. So, if it's cube, 3 into minus 1, it will be minus 1. 3 into 1 square means 1. 1 into 3 will be 3. Minus 1 and plus 1. Okay. Now, it's very interesting. You see, these are not that much tough as you may be thinking. Now, 3 into minus 1, if I say, this will be minus 3, plus 3, and the minus 1 only and plus 1. You see, we can cut this one, we can cut this, not cutting means subtracting, and you will get 1. Still, we can say the same thing like earlier. This is also not a factor, isn't it? I hope you are understanding it properly. So we can just say like earlier, hence okay, we just not write like this, will not write like this. Hence x plus 1 is not factor of, you can add the question, I'm just writing in short. Okay, so this is your question number 3. Let's see the question number 4, which is also very easy. It's same as it is, only the root overs are there. Then okay, never fear from the root over. Root overs are not that tough. Okay, let's see this question. This is cube, I guess. Okay, question number 4. This is let p of x cube minus x square minus 2 plus 2 root 2 x plus root 2. Okay, so on putting x is equal to minus 1, we get, okay, same as earlier. So we can just write p minus 1, and we'll just put the value in place of x, minus 1 cube minus 1 square 2 plus root 2 minus 1 plus root 2. Okay, I hope this was easy for you. Let's see this one. As we can see, minus cube, so we can write minus 1 again, and this is minus 1 square means 1. Okay, this will be 1 square means 1, isn't it? And then okay, we'll try to, okay, first of all we'll do one thing. 2 into this one is your minus 2. I will do it inside the bracket, minus 2. Okay, plus, okay, not plus, 1 into minus root 2 will be again minus root 2 plus root 2. This one is multiplied. I hope you understood this one properly. So minus 1, Now minus into minus will be plus 2, minus into minus will be plus root 2, and the last one will be same as a root 2. As you can see, minus into minus is minus 2, 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. Okay, I hope you have understood. I just added this one. It's not that much, it's not a big deal. I'm just doing addition. Minus minus, it will become 0, and 2 root 2 plus sign. So as you can see, we cannot write another way. We have the only one option. If there is nothing, means 1 is there, yes or no. So 1 plus 1 will be 2, and we can just write 2 root 2. Okay, so we can say, since, we can just write like this also, since remainder p minus 1 doesn't equal to 0, hence it is, hence यहाँ पे एक और लाइन जोड़ सकते हैं, hence x plus 1 is not a factor of, वही x cube जो भी लिखो वही क्या है, x cube minus x square 2 plus 2 root 2x plus root 2. So this was your question number 4. I hope this was easy for you, and if it's easy, then I think you have learned properly that early one, and I think everyone can understand this one. Okay, so for now this much only, and see you soon in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.